Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're going to learn about adding positive and negative numbers, and we want to find each sum. So if I was given this expression, 0.85 plus a negative 2.4 plus 4.5, okay? So I have 0.85 plus negative 2.4 plus 4.5. I'm going to combine my negative 2.4 and 4.5 first. So I'm going to rearrange using the commutative property, negative 2.4 and 4.5. So here's a 4.5 plus a negative 2.4. And we know that adding a negative is the same thing as subtraction. So 0.85 plus 4.5 minus 2.4. There's a decent looking table. Could be nicer. So why did I do that? Well, I saw 4.5 was larger than the negative 2.4. And so I know when I add them together, it's basically subtraction, I wanted to still have positive numbers because I find it easier to deal with positive numbers. So since they all were addition, I could use the commutative property here, and I could write it as 4.5 minus 2.4 because adding a negative is subtraction. So if I have 4.5 here minus 2.4, well, that's a little easier one to do. 0.5 minus 0.4 is 0.1. And then we have 4 minus 2, which is 2. And now I have 2.1, and my answer here, keeping everything positive. All right, it's nice to keep everything positive. So now I have 0.85 plus 2.1. So now I need to add these two together. Well, I have 2.1 plus 0.85. Now notice the placeholder here. There's an extra digit, and so it goes out to hundreds. And so I'm going to put the 0 out there because 2.10 is the same as 2.1. Well, add them together. 0 plus 5 is 5. 1 plus 8 is 9. It's going straight down. And 2 plus 0 is 2. And so my final answer is 2.95. There we go. So let's recap. We have 0.85 plus a negative 2.4 plus 4.5. I use the commutative property to rearrange the 4.5 and the negative 2.4, and knowing that adding a negative 2.4 is the same thing as subtracting 2.4. So I have 4.5 minus 2.4 right here. That came out to be 2.1. The whole time I'm bringing down to 0.85. Now when I add these two together, 2.10 plus, remember, add that place value, 0.85. 0 plus 5 is 5, 1 plus 8 is 9, and 2 plus 0 is 2. And so 2.95 is my final answer.